What's going on, everybody? Today I'm going to show you how to generate a Autel universal key for General Motors push-to-start vehicles. I've got an example of what some General Motors smart keys look like, especially of the mid-2000s to almost 2018, 2019. This is the key you got. Smart key, keyed ignition, it all look the same. So what I like to offer my customers is what I consider a bit of an upgrade. This is their Cadillac style smart key, and we can generate it to many different options. This customer doesn't care about remote start, so we let them choose. They want lock, unlock, trunk, and panic. And we got a battery in there, so it has the ability to read and write the data. So once you got a battery installed, we're going to generate this. Our example today can be on, we'll say, like a 2015 to 17 Chevy Malibu. We'll go in our KM100. We have top left here our universal key option menu, where we can search by make and model. So let's go to Chevy. We scroll down, we see Chevy right here. Just to show you guys as well, if you want more options, you can always select GM. It'll bring up all of them. So let's go ahead and select Chevy, and we can scroll, or we can go by model. I'm going to go down to model and select Malibu. Now, any locksmiths watching this video will know that pretty much every car that took this key, it's going to be essentially the same. So really no harm, no foul. If you go a different model, just pay attention to that FCC ID. 2013 to 2016, 315, ID 46. It's going to be the option that we want for this example. So I'm going to select that option. And now it's going to give us instructions. Those instructions are telling us that we have to have the battery in the key. We've done that. And we're going to take this key and we're going to place it into the antenna ring that's up here. Now it really only fits in one way for me on these ones, so I'm going to do that, hit generate universal key. It's going to acquire the data and write that information to the key. So I've clarified this in other videos, but if you buy the specific branded Autel universal keys, like the General Motors style, Hyundai or Dodge, they all come with emergency keys. They advertise it that they don't, but everyone I've ordered has them, so it's super helpful. I don't have to pin up any roll pins, anything like that. Now, we're about halfway through. It does take a little bit of time. Make sure you don't move the key tool or the key around, or you might get a fail. These keys can also be reused. Program it to a car, and then maybe the customer doesn't want it, whatever, save it. You can use it next time. They work pretty easily. So we're almost done here. We're hoping to see green check mark, completed, success, something along those lines, and then we'll fact check it. Universal key generation is completed. Do we want to continue? No. If we hit continue, it's going to start that over again if we wanted to do more than one. So we should be done. Let's go ahead and check it out. We're going to take our key, we're going to select reading and cloning, and we're going to make sure that that reads the right chip type. So reading transponder, ID 46, not locked. It's the stuff we want to see. We'll go ahead and exit, and we're going to check the frequency. .314. It's 315, so it's going to work just fine for us. So there it is. I hope this helps, guys. Just remember, have the battery, take it slow, and if you got to redo it, there's no. I've done probably 10 or 15 different versions on one key with no problem. So they work great. As always, I hope it helps. Thanks.